आर्य गुरुकुल नांदिवलीने वार्षिक दिवसाच्या कार्यक्रमादरम्यान माजी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या यशाचा केला गौरव. कुमार देवयंत आर्य गुरुकुलचे माजी विद्यार्थी शार्क टँक इंडियामध्ये आहे आणि त्याला निधी देखील मिळतो. आर्य गुरुकुल सर्वांगीण शिक्षणाच्या आणि वचनबद्धतेसाठी ओळखल्या जाणाऱ्या प्रमुख शैक्षणिक संस्थेने तिच्या प्रतिष्ठित माजी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या उल्लेखनीय कामगिरीचा गौरवपूर्ण वार्षिक दिन कार्यक्रमात साजरा केला. कल्याणच्या मध्यभागी वसलेली ही संस्था दीर्घ काळापासून सर्वसमावेशक शिक्षणाचे दीपस्तंभ आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांना केवळ शैक्षणिकच नव्हे तर त्यांच्या वैयक्तिक आणि व्यावसायिक प्रयत्नांमध्येही घडवणारी आहे. कार्यक्रमादरम्यान आर्य गुरुकुलने आपल्या माजी विद्यार्थ्यांचे मनापासून कौतुक करण्यासाठी थोडा वेळ घेतला, ज्यांनी जीवनाच्या विविध क्षेत्रांतून प्रवास केला आहे. शाळेतील त्यांच्या सुरुवातीच्या काळात त्यांच्यामध्ये स्थापित केलेल्या मूल्ये आणि तत्वांना सुंदर रूप दिले आहे. परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस, फॅशन कम्युनिकेशन, फिजिओथेरपी यासह विविध व्यवसायांचे प्रतिनिधित्व करणारे माजी विद्यार्थी तसेच विविध स्टार्टअपचे प्रतिनिधित्व करणारे अष्टपैलू उत्तम व्यक्तींना प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी शाळेच्या समर्पणाचे जिवंत प्रशस्तीपत्र म्हणून काम करतात. या माजी विद्यार्थ्यांचे यश हे आर्य गुरुकुलच्या शिक्षणाच्या सर्वांगीण दृष्टिकोनाचा पुरावा आहे. आर्य गुरुकुलचे अध्यक्ष भरत मलिक म्हणाले, त्यांची उपलब्धी ही केवळ त्यांची स्वतःची नसून आमच्या संस्थेच्या नीतिमूल्यांचे प्रतिबिंब आहे, जे नैतिक मूल्ये, बौद्धिक कठोरता आणि चौकशीच्या भावनेवर जोर देते. काही माजी विद्यार्थ्यांनी अनुभवांची देवाणघेवाण करणे हे या कार्यक्रमाचे वैशिष्ट्य होते.
Inspired you to start your own venture?
I mean, great one to go ahead with. So, starting off with my early days, I was completely in drone business, right? So, right from start, in college itself, in second year, I had been into drones and technology very much resounding upon. So, there have been many instances wherein I got to know about the quadcopter workshop, and then that revived me again of getting into this drone tech. So starting off from 15,000 and currently evaluating over 200 CR has been one of the major outcomes wherein going across the near future as well. The technology which we are developing is India's first FPV, which is first person view, and it is made for India and for the world as well. Right now we have clocked about 7,000 kilometers wherein you can just sit over here and then you can just fly a drone up to 7,000 kilometers away as well. So we have increased amount of revenues as well as generation in 3 departments, which is consumer, agriculture and defense.
Based on your experiences?
So firstly and foremost, consistency is key for everyone to be putting ahead. So there has been many instances wherein लोग बोलते हैं कि आप पैसे ले लो और सब बना लोगे, but I really don't care because when it comes to money, right, the optimization works in. और आप consistent रहोगे ना, you can do wonders. Like there are many endeavors which you can have it in future as well as here. So अगर आपकी प्रॉब्लम है कि यार पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास कोई भी वेंचर चालू करने के लिए, सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
And how do you think has your school contributed towards your risk-taking ability, Arya Gurukul School?
Okay, so it's like currently in 10th standard I was one of the mischievous out personalities in school, but still I scored decent in studies as well as in sports. So I feel sports is a spiritual year which Arya Gurukul has actually put forward in because sports teaches you the mentality of winning, and it's always not about winning as well, but when it comes to the losing standpoint, right, so you lose every game, you lose it 10 to 20 times continuously. आप जितनी भी बार हार लो बट वो एक होप रहती है, so the hope brings you the thing. So after Arya Gurukul itself, I had thought of leaving Mumbai because it was completely outrageous when it comes to padhai or khela. So.
Okay, we are now speaking with Master Harshal Jadhav. He's also an alumni of Arya Gurukul School, Nandivali, and he will be speaking to us about his startup and his experiences. So, Harshal, what inspired you with your startup venture?
So actually, I'm a second-gen entrepreneur. My family had their business. I just thought of innovating it and getting it into the world by some innovation and spreading it out and becoming right now we are the India's largest efficacy rate pesticide products. We are into FMCG market and have more than 4 plus products in the market. Yeah.
Can you share some insights on your growth strategy?
Yeah, actually, growth doesn't actually come within days or weeks. You just have to be consistent, believe in your product or whatever you're doing. You need your family support, the most important, and and you should always believe what you're doing. That has been my actual growth strategy from the day one.
Wonderful. And what are the challenges that you might have faced in your startup?
So initially you don't get enough traction, to be honest. You need to network yourself. You need to get into the market, be physically present, not just sit at one place and hope that customers would come to you. Networking would be my key to success and getting into the market. Yeah.
And how has Arya Gurukul Nandivali shaped your views about the world, and how has it helped you?
So being into Arya Gurukul, we just we didn't had scholastic as the primary thing, but also we had sports and co-scholastic into our studies and everything. In fact, our dearest principal Radhamani ma'am, who would always support us for sports, who would always encourage us, always used to tell us go participate. That's the must thing that you should go for, which taught us leadership qualities and to be different from the world and get more and more people around you. That teaches you a lot. So yeah.
Ms. Purva Sawant with us, who will be sharing her journey with us. Purva, how do you stay updated with the latest trends and developments in the marketing industry?
Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to say that social media is the best platform to stay updated. Other than that, if you use it the right way, of course, and other than that, reading blogs and research papers will help you to go in that journey.
Can you share some insights on digital marketing in the field of marketing at large?
I feel like digital marketing is the future of marketing because it has a lot of audience reach and we can reach globally to the target audience very easily, and it will help the marketing sector in the future.
Do you have any message for aspiring marketing professionals?
Just start out speaking and connect with a lot of people. That will help you to stay connected, and that's it. Thank you.
And how has Arya Gurukul Nandivali, your alma mater, shaped your thinking or has given opportunities to you?
The school is like a nostalgia because it has given me a lot of practical exposure, and it helps me today to connect with a lot of people, and that's it. Thank you.
Journey as a physiotherapist. So Shreya, what are the challenges that you have faced in shaping your career?
The main challenge which I have recently faced is I am managing my master's degree with my clinic. So it is very difficult to manage. Second thing is the patient awareness about physiotherapy. People are not aware about physiotherapy because basically for everybody physiotherapy means massages, or that is a very bad or wrong concept about physiotherapy which I would like to change as a person. And then third is people actually come to me with Google knowledge and they review YouTube videos, and the current condition of the patient is now worsened because of those YouTube videos. Now I have to then work a lot in to the betterment of their care then. So this is the main challenge which I am currently facing or have faced.
And how do you stay updated on the latest physiotherapy trends?
For us, it is basically the conferences that we attend and my faculties as I told you, I'm doing my masters. So I go to more recent advances. I actually follow recent advance based therapy. That means what is more earlier doctors used to tell you should not use pillow if you have a neck pain, but currently the advances show that you must use a pillow if you have a neck pain, because you have that curvature in your neck which should be maintained. So, and the second thing is obviously social media. So social media, it is not bad that people follow them, but there are various other physios through which we can connect, and it's a very huge platform where I can actually improve my connection and knowledge about physiotherapy.
And how has your school, Arya Gurukul Nandivali, shaped your entire personality or your quest for knowledge?
Arya Gurukul is like, for my field, the main basic motto is communication skill. So when I talk to patient usually tell me, the common thing that most of the patients tell me is, if we talk to us, हमको अच्छा लगता है, हमको आपसे बात करके हमारा 50% जो पेन है वो चला जाता है, and that I think that is the best compliment any doctor or a physiotherapist would ever get, and that is the comfort zone we have to give. So that communication skill is imparted from my school, because I was here everywhere. Like I was into anchoring, I was into street plays, I was mostly into plays and dramas. So communication skill तो बहुत important है, and that is what basically यहाँ से मैंने सीखा. And second is I'm very passionate about art. So art भी मैंने यहाँ से सीखा है. So we had Vinod sir at that time. So Vinod sir ने बहुत art में बहुत हमको focus किया. So I still practice art. I am a physiotherapist, so I take both hand in hand.
Any message for future physiotherapists?
बहुत अच्छी field है. If you can explore, do explore, because don't confine yourself कि सिर्फ मसाज है या एक्सरसाइज है. नहीं, it is a lot more. You are just a magician who can actually cure people without medications or without surgery. People come to you, you are bare hands, and you just do something, and then they are, wow, I'm cool now. So it's a very, very amazing field. I think people should opt for physiotherapy.
Thank you so much. We'll be speaking with Ms. Neha Nair, who is into fashion communication, and she will be sharing her views about her field. So Sneha, what is fashion communication exactly? Can you throw some light on that?
Fashion communication primarily is anything that has to do with the visuals of a brand. So that could lead from anything from the photo shoots of a brand, or the way the brand is positioned, and the way people perceive a brand. Yeah, that's pretty much what fashion communication covers.
Okay, and where do you think is India in terms of the fashion scene today, and what do you see as a future of fashion in India?
I think lately, primarily what used to be just like certain brands has now grown into multiple brands, and designers like Sabyasachi, or be it Tarun Tahlani, these people are starting to portray their designs at international places, which I think definitely is a win for the country altogether, as renowned artists have been wearing the design. So I think that's a good thing.
Okay, and how does one study, or how does one prepare oneself for this industry?
So I did my bachelor's from NIFT Mumbai. The process was, we did like a first round of exam that was about drawing as well as general aptitude test. After that, we were selected for the interview rounds. That also includes your skills as to how you handle the materials, and yeah, that's just how you get it based on your score, of course.
Right, and I'm sure your school also must have played a huge role in shaping your quest for any particular field that you have selected. So how can you throw some light on how Arya Gurukul Nandivali has shaped your entire personality?
I think the way Arya Gurukul helped me was build my confidence, being able to pursue what I have been wishing for, and they have been really helpful in guiding us as to what could have been a possible solution for us, or what would have been the best job role for us. So I think they have been quite helpful in terms of helping us just figure out what works best for us.
What are the roles that you played in school? Which important positions maybe you have taken up in school that has furthered your leadership skills or your social skills?
Yeah, so I used to be the senior vice captain. I used to be the vice captain, captain, and head girl. So I think the job roles of the leadership quite naturally comes from there. And yeah, I was able to carry forward that skills into my college years and now at work.
With Miss Aditi Thenge, who works in the HR field, and she will be giving us some insights on her line of work. So, Aditi, how did you think of pursuing HR as a profession?
Quite honestly, it wasn't my first choice, but during my school days, I used to do a lot of comparing and hosting events, which actually helped me with my skill sets, as in my communication. I could easily talk to people and they could approach me, which is how I joined Rotaract. It was a NGO, and where I was a very active member. I used to handle a couple of avenues and conduct a couple of projects, wherein a friend of mine saw those skills and asked me if you would be interested in doing a job role which actually suits your skill sets and your personality as well. That is how I landed there, because absolutely no degree is always something that will land you at a particular position. In my case, it was quite the opposite. I completed my education in a complete different field, and then I landed into HR just because of the skill set that I owned and I carried on with me. So while we were in school, we were always put front to be active in a lot of various activities. Our school just not keep us, held just to our curriculum, booking curriculum. So they always encouraged us to do activities which included life skills, that would develop our life skills as well as develop our interpersonal skills, which was the very main key set that I require in my field. As in, I require to communicate with people with ease, that they can approach me, because it's not just one or two people that I come across with on a daily basis. I have to come across with a couple of them, and while I was handling a team, I was handling a team of more than 100 people, and they have their queries, they have the concern, and you have to be a very comforting person to them so that they can come down to you and have some trusting element that they can just convey their problem or issue to you. So in that aspect, these are the skills that only my school has helped me grow, which I can absolutely use in my professional life, and that is how it's going.
And what are these activities that you're mentioning? Can you give us some examples of these activities that your school has done?
Sure. So a couple of activities, saying we had a Mastiki Pashtshala summer camp that was a bagless camp, which is basically you wouldn't be using your books at all throughout the entire week. So during that camp, we were given a lot of different activities, which included pottery, carpenting, which was including filmmaking. For example, when we did a filmmaking, we really had to make a film for a 4-minute time slot that we were given. We had to decide a couple of come down with a couple of topics and then shortlist one of them, which was about social awareness or something that could just send ahead a message. And for those things, we did work right from scratch, from sourcing the clothes, from sourcing the which venue that we want to select for our filmmaking. So all these activities were there. There were Manthan, which is a science exhibition. Our teachers were always supportive. They always encouraged us to go ahead and just present what we had. They helped us present our ideas and never let us down over thinking that, oh, this might not be possible, because that faith when a teacher shows into a child, that is very important for the child to showcase its own talent, which is very important, I think, while growing up as a kid, which was facilitated through Arya Gurukul's platform itself. And associated with Arya Global for the past 20 plus years. I started my kindergarten from here, and I completed my senior secondary as in my 12th as well from here, which is a whole lot of life. And it has not just shaped my schooling life or my education, but it has also shaped my career, and that is how I'm living my livelihood. So I want to present a lot of gratitude towards not just my teachers, but my founders as well, for being such a humongous part of my journey.
Miss Anushka Sangamnekar, who is studying right now in TYBCom and is a dancer as well. So Anushka, welcome. I would like to know how did you pursue dancing, or how did this love for dancing arise?
Okay. Dancing, like I was since childhood, I used to love dance. So I joined classes for dancing, and when I was in school, I participated in various dance competitions. So I have learnt each and every style of dancing, and I participated in every competition, won dance competitions. After some time, I also started choreographing my own dances. Now currently I am performing for social media, attended many programs. I also I am also invited as a judge in various Sophia College and in my own school. It was a great opportunity for me to come in my own school where I have been learning dance, and now seeing the students performing on the stage where I started my dancing, was pleasure to watch them.
You were in Arya Gurukul Nandivali. So how has Arya Gurukul Nandivali shaped your love for dance?
My actual dance career started in Arya Gurukul. My sir, Anupriya ma'am, and everyone, like, they pushed me to continue dancing. Like while studying, I was like quitting dancing, kind of quitting, but they forced me to do. They didn't stop. I didn't stop myself from dancing. So yeah, they helped a lot.
And how do you think is today's social media world giving so much leverage to people who are into the fine arts? So how do you think you can use social media to further your profession?
Now, in this time, social media is a huge platform for influencers, and based on that, you get work opportunities now. So if you get views, you showcase your talent on social media, and people are fully active on social media currently. So like, it is a huge platform. If you once reach to that platform, you get the views, you get lot of opportunities. Now currently I am with one of my groups, so we are getting much opportunities, like freakins in like various brands. They contact us for showcasing their products. So yeah, social media is very great.
ज्यांनी त्यांच्या यशाचे श्रेय आर्य गुरुकुलमध्ये त्यांच्या वर्षभरात घातलेल्या मजबूत पायाला दिले. शाळेतील शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता, सांस्कृतिक समृद्धता आणि विविध ॲक्टिव्हिटीजवर आधारित शिक्षणाच्या अद्वितीय मिश्रणाने त्यांना वास्तविक जगाच्या आव्हानांसाठी कसे तयार केले आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये शिकण्याची जीवनभराची आवड कशी निर्माण केली, याबद्दल त्यांनी सांगितले.